Hey, look at you. You're all grown up and you're in a cage now. What do you think about that cage, huh? Baby! You can move around now. Don't be scared. Aw, don't be scared, little baby. What's it doing? Look at this little toy. Look at this. Ooh, yeah, you can move around. You can flap your wings. Pretty soon you'll be on that perch. Look, you're in a cage now. Your first cage. First few minutes, you're not even sure what to do, but look at that ball. You're kind of clumsy, aren't you? What do you think of your new cage? It's better than being cooped up in that little container, huh? Now that you're getting to be such a big bird. Yeah. Want to spread your wings out? Show me how you can flap your little wings. Come on, open those wings. I think you like that cage. I think you do. Are you gonna poop? You pooped on your towel. Yucky.